welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix is Gracie. And Gracie speaking about Miss D or Donna. She's saying that basically she's not out here to clear anything up. Based on what Donna allegedly said yesterday, she said that because of what was said, she knew it was her. And she's explaining why she knows. And she's saying, basically that nobody out here is bigger than anyone. And so, she's speaking a lot of things. So you guys need to go catch the video and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell when I post. All the lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today. Happy birthday. Wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and watching. And guys, do have yourselves a wonderful rest of the day or evening or night wherever you are. Have a great one now.
I now cuss you this morning. What brings the ends? You're not gonna make me stop. You're not gonna make me stop talking me attack. You're not gonna make me stop talking me attack, Joanny. I must be mad. You're not gonna make me stop talking when you come out here for taxi. A whole of you out here mischievous. Donna mischievous. Gracie mischievous. All of you out here mischievous. If Donna never love mischief, when you come out here and chat stuff, they're sitting there yesterday. I was one of them who played that live. I played the live with her, with what a woman said about her mother. So I'm gonna take offense to it. If I did not play the live, a regular thing, then I drop her word and me not say nothing. But I play that live. And if I feel I have to pick it up, me I gotta pick it up. Yummy! Because then I too out harder. See me I come back all over me every word me say yesterday, me not clear up nothing. Me not justify nothing. Not time me not justify. What justification I go? You think me I gonna turn like the one at Portland, but when me see my view like, oh girl. No, my love. No, my love. Me not come out here to look people. So whether them like me, yes or no, Gracie will come. Who can stomach me now watch me? Who can stand me now come? I said what I said. I spoke what I spoke. I didn't spoke with no stutter lips. And I'm not afraid to say what I said again. Donna was disrespectful and Donna was out harder. If I did not play that live, I would not take offense to it. But I played the live. Penny Catcher never played it, you know. Penny Catcher never played. She talked about it. She did not play it. Crockery teeth plate. Elderly Mark plate. Now if we should talk truth. Me crockery teeth, elderly Mark. We shall be big and fat as the that Donna could have class as the big fat somebody. Now most Gracie what they call the big fat, the fat girl and the mango. Now most Gracie what they call the fat, because Donna and I Planka them look one of them oats like them oats like them is more smart than anybody else out here, you know. Donna and I Planka they look one of them smarter than everybody else out here. Elderly Mac plate. Elderly Mac no fat. Crockery teeth plate. Crockery teeth not even monetize our page. As far as I heard. I mean I watch her. So she could not mad over YouTube money. She could not mad over YouTube money. Because she fear page monetize. No man, fear people, I'm not going them are the smartest out here and I be a dunce. So when Donna come, everything them justify. Then I who Donna attack then. Then I who Donna attack. Make it make sense. Who else out here did play it? Them a pennication and play it, she talk about it. Me play it. Crockery teeth plate. Maxine plate. Maxine no big and fat. Elderly Mac no big and fat. Crockery teeth no big and fat. Then a who? Then a who? Since Gracie had done so me fool. Who no talk? A who da not talk? So anything Donna get him for take. As me say already, none of we no small out here. Donna no small. Donna is not small. And Donna can't class nobody shave me a fall person. And Donna come out here with one Bible and I arm. Right now, me I wonder if I done a fat I hide the Bible. Because I can't see Bible. Oh, Donna, don't come for me. I don't know my mouth boss. Right now, me I wonder if Donna fat I hide the Bible. Oh, Tada. And now you come for poor people. And you come. And say you come for your purpose. And all of a sudden you reach a point now, you reach by your pinnacles. I tell people say they're foreign a clean shit. And that shit cleaning money they bill you. You reach a hype. You reach there so far that you're gonna tell people say you wrap up shit in a file paper and sell them for them. That's why I don't buy no cake for you this last year. Notice for you make the statement, them in buy a cake for you again. Me don't never cake from over there again. Oh, Tada. You didn't build yourself? You can't call nobody fat. And when you come out here have one Bible under your arm, me I wonder where Bible is. Me I wonder where Bible is. You look like you're fat eye the Bible. You swear well like the Bible. I can't do find the Bible you come out here with. Don't bright yourself. You hear Donna? Don't do it again. Because I want them here try to behave myself and have manners. Don't do it again. Don't draw me. Because we tell you things. I'm afraid for Planka them. See me still like the rest. So I say, oh, they don't want the Planka no support me. Planka love Mixup. So yeah, chat about Mixup. They might not put the thumbs up, but they might come because they love Mixup. They love here. And then the Planka alone out here watch Mixup. They love Bagga. And them run Mixup headquarters. I think they're going to take back that night. Huh? When they're going to distract me from my job, you're crazy. Me that's for work. Crockery teeth plate. Crockery teeth not big and fat. Elderly Mac plate. Elderly Mac not big and fat. Then I would not attack then. Me play. Then I would not attack. We don't talk now. Because people are buy out argument and they don't attack them. So we listen back what Donna say. And I don't want nobody can tell me, oh great, me not look no followers found and a friend found. Donna Otada. Donna Bright. You think me I come back and say, oh, I mean every mama thing when me say yesterday. Donna come back and Donna spare people feelings and business. Who did feel bad when she did say what? Donna feet business, who did feel away when she talk? I mean, I'm spicy up top, but I feel like me not feel no way. I'm glad me do what me do. Me not do it again. Yeah. Anything me tell her yesterday, me tell her again today. It's too hard. Always another get out with me and listen, he said, under fear defense. Whole way Donna get her with me yesterday. Unless she say it under fear defense. But no come out here for defend no kiss for girl and come with them argument there. The all way Donna did I get to her yesterday. Unless she did say it under fear defense. I'm going to say, Donna stay. Let she go on. But you come defend Kisco girl. And you come class up people. If you can't talk, say Kisco girl. Then anybody that play back in life. Kisco girl have the same woman over the 2 days before or 1 day before. The same one will say you molest her mama. Then that means or if you apologize to you and have the woman a call him and show you what they laugh for the woman. That was the point the people make. And anybody that play back that life, you make people hear say, see Vice, yeah, a she for true. See Vice, yeah, Donna, a she for true. Why all of a sudden people are play the life there? Because him have the woman over there. You no run come. You're tired. Lie the one you're out. Lay down by your bed or by your back or by your side the one you're out. Don't sit it out because you love lie down. Don't sit the one you're out, Donna. Lie the one you're out. Oh, Tada. I'm not going to send no bulldog and dopey conquer them out here. Like people are frightened and afraid. Move your mama blows and wow. Nobody call Donna name enough time. Nobody call Donna name enough time. People are idiot out here if you don't know when Donna chat to them. Move your mama blow out from your say, yeah? If you're near man, if you're near man, Donna batty, me not your man there. So me not have to take no liberty from Donna. Move your mama blow out. Who is Donna? Who is Donna? Tell Donna that we are looking for bad when he come for. He come with. Tell him to move him fat and we'll see if the Bible there. Move your mama blow out. Hey, no come over here. Nobody have to call Donna name for Donna come. When they must capture her name and say, this one run out for Donna. That one chit chat run out to Donna. Z run out to her name and I mix up every day. Donna name and I mix up every day. Donna have the mix up headquarter. Moving them more blow out. Where? I'm gonna compare. We're not compare people. We're not compare people. Go cost me, mama. Me say knucklet, I got broke. Knucklet, you got broke. Cause me not done. You got broke. Knucklet, you got broke. You got broke. Cause Gracie, I come again. I have to spend more money again. Me I go mad you out. All of you. All of you come back on cause I go stress out for their life. When you see them stress right out. When you see them on their life, they can't look in the camera because they stress out. I'm going to stress out the wall on the blow out here. Watch me out. I say, someone not going to chat till you can't chat no more because I don't answer you. You have to stop leak buckets. You have to set to the mouth to catch a leakage. And if I mash up your bucket, I don't have none to catch my leakage. I eat that. I can't mash up my bucket. I don't cost no bucket to catch my leakage. A long time I cost me, I don't look. I not get no come up from Gracie. Walk for that. You not go walk for that like come in the walk feet. You not crazy? You not crazy? You don't listen me if you go pulling up. No, my love me no camel. Make Donna pulling up because she a camel. She not around for pull up people. Me tap pull up people. Make Donna pulling up because she a camel. Make she carrying upon her back because she a camel. Me not pull up none of no. Gracie. You didn't really expect Gracie to come out there, right? Remember when they rub your mama? Gracie nah look, she nah look. But nah go look. But come sit down in my nice clean chair where Queenie buy me. Where Curly buy me. What I feel like. No girl, not a boy that pull me out here. Nah, look. Not even a dark life when I not get in a dark night. Hey. Me say not even a dark life when I not get in a dark night. Nah, look. Not even a peeny wally life when I not get in the dark night. Nah, look, power no. Now go dead, look. Now gonna knock crumbs. Me and him have the whole of my bread. Me now gonna knock crumbs. I say, we not gonna stay down there hungry. Stay down there. Right hand and right there so we stay and catch my leakage. Stay down there. Stay down and catch my leakage. Yeah? Me not count to no. Them PO no. But me not count to no. I don't count to no. When I fall, I'm going to stay hungry. When I fall, I'm going to dead pound. No. Because me never go to answer. For the buy fall feed out of me. You crazy? You're mad. Why? Me say I'm not buy no food fall feed out of the she lady. You crazy? The nice clean she lady when she open her mouth at the draw crowd. You're mad. And then she lady come answer you. And everybody gone down and you must be mad. You stay down there and catch me leakage. Stay down there and catch me leakage. I know you run come. You want the she lady answer you. No. You will want to answer. Stay down there and catch me leakage. Yeah, you. You well want she lady say, Baba, no my love. But now do it. Now do it. Supposed to call Penny catch her name. Bad to bad she over here help me cuss some of them and draw a crowd. And I get some followers when she's over here. So bad to bad I can't call Penny catch her name. She can't catch local views. She can't catch it. She wants money make she catch views. Yeah, man, she will catch views. But somehow no. All them there. I want them there run come. Me nah look. Me nah look. Then me tell her say, oh, go argue with Gracie. Because when you cuss her, she got never stop. You hear that? Me stop arguing with people down there. Stay down there. You hear that? Me stop arguing with people under me. When me I go benefit from you, Jankro? When me I go benefit from you? Me argue with you, me I go benefit from you. Eh? You go benefit what you followers and what you views. Me not benefit nothing. Then me not go benefit something, no? And you say if I answer, Gracie can answer you. Alright, now me not answer you. Then me not go benefit something. You know what people when me watch? And when them a rub? Nikki Cromans and them people there. One thing with Nikki, enough people not like her. I like Nikki. And see Nikki Cromans when she a rub, Nikki Cromans not answer nobody will under her. You notice how quick she did answer Miss Kitty? Yeah, because she got benefit from Miss Kitty. Nikki Cromans not answer nobody at war. We not answer nobody nation as well under we are idiots. Anywhere we go into supposed to be beneficial to you, so our followers have to join, and we must get some other followers. We are here come get up our people and not benefit not no. You're crazy. When I pull up my body, we're not camel. But Donna pull them up because she's a camel. But Donna bring them on her back. Lord God. Me say, make Donna bring them on her back because she's a camel. Me not